Okay, so this is our book. See, so neighborhood. Let's start. First write CW and also write today's date. CW and also write here today's date. Today is 2/4/24/08. It is a practice. Without writing date and CW, don't start the class. 21 2021. First, you need to learn the meaning of neighborhood. Very important meaning. What is neighborhood or what is the meaning of neighborhood? Poshita, where are you? Poshita, come and see. Don't move from the class. Okay. Now listen. The area around our house. Around mean bari chardik. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. Neighborhood spelling NEIGHBOURHOOD. So the area mean the place. The place around our house is called our neighborhood. The people living around us are called our neighbor. Okay, so what is the difference between neighborhood and neighbor? Both are sound similar, but there is a difference. The area mean the place. Look at these two words. Area. The area mean the place. The area around our house is called neighborhood, but the people living around us are called neighbors. Neighbors mean the people, but neighborhood mean the area. Understand? There may be many places in our neighborhood such as, so these are few example of our neighborhood like market, hospital, school and park. Okay. So market, hospital, school, park, these are the example of 4 neighborhood services. So if I ask you, give me example of Abhinava Sharjo, don't talk. If I ask you that give me some example of neighborhood services, answer should be market, hospital, school, park. Why? Because these are places. And we just read that the area near our house known as our neighborhood. For now, learn about market. What is a market? This chapter is very important. Lots of questions are there. A place with many shops. A place with many shops is called a market. You need to memorize all these sentences. প্রত্যেকটা মুখস্থ করতে হবে. You have to write the answer in full sentence. So essay 1 exam is not at all MCQ tick mark exam. Okay, you have to write the answer. A place with many shops is called a market. This is a picture. This is a picture of a market. See, they mean the grocery. They sell variety of goods. GOODS. Goods mean things, jinish. They are mean pharmacy. Pharmacy mean medical shops. Then bakery mean cake dokan. Grocery store. Grocery mean it can be fruits, vegetables, je kono jinish. And stationery shops mean jeta mudikhana dokan, etc. etc. Now, hospital. We will read little. Okay. Don't worry, I am not going to complete the whole chapter today. Hospital. There is a hospital. There is a hospital in our neighborhood. So hospital is also an example of neighborhood service. Neighborhood service. People who are injured. Injured mean who got injured, মানে কেটে যাওয়া, আঘাত লাগা. So people who are injured or sick go to the hospital. There are many doctors and nurses in a hospital. Who are there in a hospital? Now, there are many doctors and nurses in a hospital. They take care of sick people in the hospital. So who take care of us in the hospital? Who take care of us? Doctor and nurses take care of us in a hospital. Okay, see, it is written over there. Doctors and nurses take care of sick people in a hospital. Complete. Next, school. School is also a neighborhood service. These are the example of neighborhood services. School. There is a school in our neighborhood. We go to school every day and we learn many things about school. Next, post office. There is a post office in our neighborhood also. There is a post office in our neighborhood. So what we do in the post office mainly, we can buy stamp and send letters and parcel from the post office. What is parcel? Parcel mean if you want to send anything to anyone, if you want to send any item, if you want to send a gift to your brother who is living outside from the country, so that gift you have to go to the parcel office. They will arrange a box and they will package it properly. This is called parcel. Parcel mean the packaging of a particular item if you want to send to any person that who live outside from your house or outside from the country. So just to send it, you need to buy stamp from the post office. The postman brings us letter and parcel. Today we will stop here. Today I'm not going to complete the whole chapter because I also need to repeat it. Okay, so now your work is read these four neighborhood services. So what we learned today? See, neighborhood. 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 These are known as neighborhood service. What they are called? They are called neighborhood service. Service means they give their service to us. So if I ask you write the name of four neighborhood services, you have to write the name of this. Neighborhood services, okay? These are called neighborhood services. Number one that we learn, that is Number one that we learn. Number one neighborhood service is market. Okay. Number two that we learn. Hospital. Hospital. Number three neighborhood service that we learn, that is school. Number four, a neighborhood service that we learn, that is post office. Okay. Next, tomorrow we will read about police station. Okay. And another one is park that we learn tomorrow. Is it clear to you all? So neighborhood service. So four neighborhood services first. These are known as neighborhood service. Number one, market. Number two, hospital. Number three, school. Number four, post office. Number five, police station. Number six is park. Is it clear to you all? You can also write it down in your book. You can also write it down in your book. So next, what is a market? A market is a place with many shops. Okay, many shops where the people, what the seller sell a variety of good. They are pharmacy, bakery, grocery store, stationery shop, etc. Hospital. What do we do in the hospital? Why we go to hospital? Why we go to hospital? Because people who go to hospital, hospital e kara jay? The answer is people who are injured or sick go to the hospital. There are many doctors and nurses in a hospital. They take care of sick people in the hospital. Understand? Next, another neighborhood service is school. So there is a school in our neighborhood. We go to school every day. We learn many things in a school. And another one is post office. There is a post office also in our neighborhood. We can buy stamp and send letter and parcel from the post office. The postman brings us letter and parcels. Is it clear to you all? Now everyone read this paragraph. Up to post office. Read loudly. Read loudly, all of you. Yes, Upama?
And what is the meaning of pharmacy?
Pharmacy also means medical shop. Medicine shop.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Acha, yes, Shubhro.
Ma'am, what is the means of in read? That means its spelling is INJURED. Means
Did I say injured? Did I say Shubhro injured? The pronunciation is injured. Not injured. Pronunciation is injured. Injured means who got injury. Mane aghat laga, kete jawa. Injured means
आवाज लगा
agha,
कैसे
yes.
जावा Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Paban, I can see that you are not reading the chapter. I said that read up to post office. Read up to post office. Yes, Shufian. Yes, Shufian, say.
And read completed.
What? You have completed? Reading completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read out from the first paragraph. Read out, start reading, Shufian. Tell me. Read out from the first sentence.
One, the has
Read loudly. Meaning of neighborhood. Read like this. Meaning of neighborhood. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. Read like this. এইভাবে পড়ো।
our has
Speak loudly. What happened? What happened, Shufian? You got muted. Yes, continue. Pavan, read out. Unmute your device. Okay, wait, Mopuli. Pavan, unmute your device. You never want to read. Pavan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
The area, around, our house is called our any neighborhood. The pupil, living, around, US, our neighbors. There, by may, B, by may, place, and in, our, any, neighborhood. As you say, such as a market, hospital.
1 minute, Pavan. How you are reading? You are just reading like this. That APLE, say place, WITH with MANY, many SHOPS, shop. You after that, after spell out it, you also need to read the full sentence at a time like this. That a place with many shop is called a market. Read like this. You are in standard 1. You read like this. This is good that you are spelling out. APLE, place, WIT with. After that, say a place with many shops is called a market. Read like this. Every day practice reading, each and every day. Samiha, read. No need to raise your hand, student. Samiha, read.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Read out from market. Read out the paragraph market.
A place with many.
Student, don't raise your hand. I will take your name. After that, start reading. Loudly.
Sell varieties of food. They are harness, bakery, grocery, store, stationer, shop, etc.
Okay, good. Also need more practice. Okay, good. Acha, Upama, I know that Upama, Shubhro, Isha, you student, you can read very well. That I know. But definitely we'll ask you. But before that, ask me who don't want to read. Mopoli,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the read out the paragraph hospital.
The area ground on house is called our neighborhood. The people live.
Mopoli, I said last time that don't use any rhyming sentence. This is not a rhyming. You are reading like the there is a. Stop reading like this. Just read like this. There is a hospital in our neighborhood. People who are injured. Okay? Say.
Okay. The area ground on house is called our neighborhood. The people live around us and our neighborhood. There might be many places in our neighborhood. Each has a market, hospital, school, park, etc. Market, a place with
Okay. No need to read market. Okay, good. Yes, you can continue your reading. You can continue. Yes, Isha, any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say.
Hospital Purvo. May I read?
No, you read post office.
Okay,
As-
ma'am.
As today we have as today
Yes.
I stop post office.
Yes. Post office in our neighborhood. We can buy a stamp and send letters and parcels from the post office. The postman brings us letters and parcels.
Okay, very good. Very
Thank
good,
you, ma'am.
Isha. I will request to all of you just drop your hand. Drop your hand. Let me ask you. It is not possible for me that within 10 minutes ask everyone, but definitely alternatively will ask you. Alternatively. What I said alternatively. Acha. Audrita. Audrita, read out school.
One more repeat, ma'am.
School. Read out the paragraph school.
There is a school in our neighborhood. We go to school every day. We learn many new things in school.
Very good. Acha. Shreyan. Not Shanchari. Today ask only Shreyan. Shreyan. Shanchari will ask you tomorrow. Let me ask a few today. Acha. Shreyan, read out the paragraph school. Shreyan.
There is a school in our neighborhood. We go to school every day. We learn many new things in school.
Very good. Very, very good. Shanchari, don't be upset. Definitely will ask you tomorrow. Acha, let me choose few students who don't want to read. Like Jishan, unmute your device. Do fast.
Yes, ma'am.
After Jishan Indrayud. See, Jishan, read out the paragraph market.
A place with many shops is called a market. That sell a
No,
very of goods.
they sell.
They sell a very variety of goods. There are
They are.
pharmacy
pharmacy, bakery,
Sorry.
grocery,
Broccoli.
grocery store, stationery, etc.
etc.
Very good. Now Indra youth. Indra, read out the paragraph school.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
School, school.
There
You first.
is a school in
In
our wood.
in our
In our
neighborhood.
neighborhood.
We go to school
The-
every day.
We
Go
go
to
to
school
go to school every
every
day.
day.
We learn
Yes,
many
yes.
NEW
New things
new things
in school.
in
Yes, very good. Acha. Jewel, where are you? Jewel. So this Jewel is not there in the class. Jewel. Acha, Cap Malik, unmute your device. Cap Malik. Mubasi, sit properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Cap Malik, read out the paragraph hospital.
There is a hospital in our neighborhood.
People who are injured or sick go to the hospital.
There
Are
many
doctors,
doctor and
nurse
nurse in a hospital.
in a
They-
hospital.
Take care of
Take care of sick people
in
the hospital. Okay, good. Shaurish, unmute your device.
Yes,
Read out post office.
there is a post office in our neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
We can buy
Stamp.
and
Not
send letters and
parcels.
parcels.
From the
From
post
the-
office.
The postman bring us letters and parcels.
Very good. Very, very good. Acha. As I know, this is normal thing that students, they are very interested to tell me, interested to read the paragraph. I know that they can read very well. This is normal thing. But there are few students who don't want to read. Taba, so don't worry, Baba. Definitely we'll ask you tomorrow. Okay? Definitely. Okay, good. Very